Buenos dias, good morning everybody. Senor Foz down here at one of the best cities in the whole of Spain, if not in the whole of the world. It is the beautiful city of Alicante in the Costa Blanca. What a lovely morning here. We have sunrise over the Mediterranean behind the port, the bandstand in the background, and the new promenade, which is just absolutely fantastic. One of the great things about Alicante though is they've got a great tram system here. So we're going to go ahead and see the tram system and take a ride up to maybe Benidorm. Stay tuned, hit like, subscribe and comment for more content like this. Hasta luego! Hola de nuevo. I'm down here in the fantastic square of Luceros in the center of Alicante. Truly stunning, and with this November weather, wow, is there anywhere better to be? And trust me, Alicante, check it out for yourselves, one of the healthiest places in the whole world to be, to live. So the Luceros Square is the home of the tram that heads up, as I say, to Benidorm even further. The four main lines run from here, and the line 5, which we know from Porta del Mar, where we were a second ago. Great thing about here, Luceros, you've got access from every part of the roundabout, so every circumference you can get down to the station. And for those of you who are a little bit hard of walking and need some help, there is here disabled access and an elevator that takes you down to the main station. So we're going to head down there, grab a tram, see where we go, whether we go to Benidorm. As I say, it goes even further than Benidorm, could go to Altea or even up to Denia. Absolutely amazing. And if you're not in any rush, why not sit, grab a coffee or even a caña at one of the bars around the amazing Plaza Luceros here in Alicante. So we finally made it to Luceros tram station, the base here in Alicante, and we're going to get our ticket. As you can see, you've got language options here, idioma. So we've got Castellano, Valenciano, British, French and German. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go to English for you, and here we have our screen. So return trip is under round trip. So ida y vuelta or return trip. So we're going to click on the return trip and we're going to head up to Benidorm. Click on Benidorm. Oh, is that all? €4.80 only to Benidorm? Well, you can't get much better bang for your buck than that. There's two of us, me and my cameraman. So we're going there, payment mode. Let's go with that. €9.60. Nice fresh €10 note. You can either pay in cash or by card, and there we have it. Processing your tickets, and here they are. Ida y vuelta, so that's your round trip or return from Alicante, zones A and B, €4.80 to Benidorm. Let's go and pick up our tram. Hi again all, we're halfway on our trip up to Benidorm on the fantastic tram here down in Alicante. But this one is for all you golfers out there. Campo de Golf. You've got to stop on the tram to get yourself to the golf course. So what does that mean? You can come and visit Alicante. You don't need a hire car. You can get a bus from the airport to the centre, stay in some wonderful accommodation, and then from the centre of Alicante, get yourself and the golf clubs to the Campo de Golf. What else could you want on a holiday? Alicante. Give it a try, and this tram is going to take us up to Benidorm. Hasta luego. Hi again everyone, and halfway on our tram trip to Benidorm, and we've just walked down this hill from the tram stop at El Campello, a lovely Spanish beach town, as I say, about halfway between Alicante and Benidorm, and it's absolutely beautiful. And because it's coming up to the typical aperitif time in Spain, why not stop here and we'll have a little aperitif, but show you also what El Campello has to offer. And really, if you come down here any time of year, it's pretty special. But really at this time, you need to don your sunglasses because they're just absolutely necessary. Here we have it, finished our little aperitif down in the lovely town of El Campello. So if you're splitting your journey on the way up to Benidorm, or even to Altea or Denia further up, then El Campello is a lovely place where you can stop and have a bit. This isn't our tram, this is heading back down to Alicante. We're waiting ours, heading up to Benidorm in a few minutes. Like always, click like, comment and subscribe, and hope you enjoy this video. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We've reached our final destination, which is Benidorm. Like I said earlier, if you want to continue, you can actually go up to Altea, even up to Denia. But we came from Luceros in Alicante to Benidorm. Total travel time, if you go direct, it's probably about 1 hour 15, 1 hour 20 minutes. We had the stop off in El Campello for some refreshments, for an aperitif on this beautiful winter's day. Down there at the beaches of Benidorm, about 10 minutes walk, and behind me, up here, you have, if you're into your theme parks, Terra Mítica. So there is a tram stop at Terra Mítica, so you could get from Alicante to the theme park of Terra Mítica. And you could also use that stop to get to Villajoyosa Golf. So on this tram service, you could actually bring your golf clubs and play 2 golf courses, Alicante and Villajoyosa in Benidorm. Hope you have experienced this and it helps you in your travels here in Spain. But do not give up the opportunity to get yourselves to Alicante. Absolutely fantastic. And what? You don't need car hire. So please give a comment on this video, like, subscribe to my channels at Simon Foster Golf on YouTube and Instagram. And like I say, I hope this helps you in your travels and helping you enjoy España. So from me, Señor Foz, hasta luego, felicidades, y hasta la próxima. Adiós.
Nothing can ever change the way I feel about you.